The third point about the GATE exam is that in civil engineering syllabus, as you all might be knowing, we have 14 subjects, 14 technical subjects in total. Some technical subjects has huge weightage compared to the other technical subjects, as pointed out by Biranji. So, let me. Everyone is able to see my screen?
White screen, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, I don't know why the marker is not coming. Okay. So starting with the most important subjects in geotechnical engineering, as Nikunj was asking. So the first and the foremost thing that a candidate needs to understand is the syllabus of the exam and how to prepare that. So as I said, civil engineering GATE syllabus is a vast syllabus compared to other specialization. We have 6 complete specialization which covers entire means divisions and entire things what we are seeing in our society, starting from structural engineering to geotechnical engineering to environmental engineering to water resource engineering to transportation engineering, followed by geomatics engineering and your engineering mathematics and aptitude. So, as I said, there are 14 subjects. So, there is some weightage factor associated to those 14 subjects also. And all those 14 subjects does not carry equal weightage. So the most important technical subject that comes into our mind is the geotechnical engineering. Geotechnical engineering, from the past 10 odd years, it has been seen that uh, the marks that is assigned to geotechnical engineering is around 14 to 16 marks. So roughly around 8 questions will come from geotechnical engineering. Second important subject that follows geotechnical engineering is environmental engineering. Environmental engineering is one of the most important subject when you see from gate point of view, which comprises of 6 to 7 questions of 12 to 14 marks.
Borra.
Hello, am I audible or not?
Yes, sir. Are audible.
So the third subject that follows environmental engineering is transportation engineering. Transportation engineering, in recent gate papers, we can see that the number of questions are roughly 5 to 6 of 10 marks, of around 10 marks. It may increase depending upon the paper setting and the year in which you are giving the exam. The fourth one is your non-technical, that is maths and aptitude. Maths and aptitude. This maths and aptitude consist of your 28 marks. Means 28% of the weightage has been given to your non-technical section, that is maths and aptitude, which plays a vital role in getting a rank. 28 marks can decide your rank, and these 28 marks is so vital that it can also throw your rank from 100 to thousands also. So after that, all those small subjects like solid mechanics, structural analysis, RCC, steel structure, and CPM part, if you combine this structural engineering domain, it will be around 20 to 22 marks roughly. Now, followed by surveying. Surveying part is very interesting and very easy also, which covers 5 to 6 marks of your gate syllabus. Next, we are done with geotech, environment, transportation, maths and aptitude, complete structural engineering, surveying. So what is left? Yeah, water resource engineering division. So in this part, you will be having 4 sections. First is fluid mechanics. Second one is irrigation engineering. Third one is open channel flow. Fourth one is hydrology. So if you take hydrology, it will consist of around 3 to 4 marks or 3 to 4% of gate weightage. Irrigation will cover 2 to 3 marks. Fluid mechanics in recent papers, its weightage is too less, but you cannot compromise in this basic subject, and it more or less consists of 5 marks. And open channel flow, one question each for sure will come from open channel flow, and at times it might increase to 2 questions of 3 to 4 marks. So overall 100 marks. So the tips for a freshers as well as for any gate aspirant will be that first cover the high weightage subject. Those 5 subjects should be your priority. Which are those 5 subjects? Geotechnical engineering, environmental engineering, transportation engineering, maths, and because these 5 subjects, if you cover, you are done with your 60 to 70% of your syllabus. And in 60 to 70 marks, your ranks will be under 1000. And if you take this current year scenario, if you are scoring around 70 marks this 2023, then your rank must have been below 50. So Nikunj, I think if you are here, I think I have clarified your doubt about how to prepare for GATE exam. I think he is not here. Okay. Any more question?
Hello, good evening, sir.
Yeah. Good evening.
Myself, Sajid. I've already downloaded the syllabus copy of GATE 2024,
Okay.
but it is not in official site, but somewhere else. I want to justify it is verified. It is a verified syllabus or not.
Uh, Means GATE 2024 in their site. Have you found that syllabus or means you have
I
taken it?
found somewhere, sir, somewhere site, sir. When I go to GATE site means if I press download option, it
Huh?
is not downloading the syllabus copy.
Okay. Uh, I don't know, but if you can share your screen and show us the syllabus, I can comment. Is it possible?
I was sharing. Now
Okay.
only I'm sharing.
Okay. In the meanwhile, I am also checking the GATE syllabus if it is there or not.
So it is the option is showing we cannot corroborate the whiteboard and the screen sharing at a time like that. Sir.
Okay. Okay. Wait. Yeah. Now you can try. And Biranchi, please give the sharing access to everyone because you are the host and remain the host for today.
Okay, sir, but I don't know. Sir,
Yeah.
how could I allow? Means, please guide me.
Uh,
I have not used that host kind of thing.
because 2-3 times I am getting out of nowhere, my net is getting failed. That is the
Okay, okay.
reason you are becoming host.
Yes,
Uh,
sir, I can understand, but
uh,
uh,
how to? Okay, let me check. In settings somewhere it should be there.
meeting settings, then
Meeting settings. Yeah,
hmm,
there you are not finding means screen sharing option for everyone.
it's only saying that show non-video participants. So my video in gallery is showing only I can uh, as I am
Not
the
visible
host.
any videos. Not visible anything, sir.
Sorry.
The video is not playing, sir, right now.
There is no video. I am not playing any video.
Okay.
Yeah.
So can you go through that? Mahesh Varan has sent one link. It is only the syllabus or not.
Let me check.
This syllabus I taken from date website, 2025 website.
Yeah. This is the syllabus. This is the syllabus. Yeah. Okay, Biranchi, do one thing. Take that link
Yes, sir.
Okay.
and
Thank you,
share
sir.
it. It is
Okay.
shared, I guess. Everyone is able to see the screen. It is showing civil
Yes,
engineering, section 1, engineering, mathematics and all.
Yes, sir. It is showing on screen, sir. Yeah, it is visible.
Yeah. Yes, who was asking the question? I think Sajid.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please tell.
That's only, sir.
Yeah.
In the site, there is a extra topic, sir. I thought it somewhat error.
Which one, please? Can you highlight what extra topic you are talking of?
In the site, they have given volume integrals, sir. But in the syllabus, it is not given. I think it is in subtopic or it is not there.
I think you might have downloaded some other department site. If you have downloaded that,
No.
uh,
I think so, sir.
if that is the case, then means in some other specialization or some other department, the engineering mathematics syllabus varies. It
Okay,
is
okay,
not
sir.
constant. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Sir, other thing is, can we refer? Can we refer our engineering materials only? We should refer extra materials for the gate preparation.
Engineering material means what?
We have a basic, as we have a structure in engineering, no, sir.
Yeah.
In that, we have prescribed materials in our syllabus.
Okay.
It is enough, or there is any standard materials we have to refer for the gate?
There is no standard materials. First thing is that you should have one PYQ book with you. Once you are done with one subject or one chapter, go to that chapter. Means first revise that chapter 2 to 3 times. Then go to the PYQ section of that chapter and do all the PYQs without seeing the solution. After that, check the solution and reassess yourself. If you are getting around 80% correct in the first attempt, then don't worry, you are in right track. But if you are getting in the range of 50 to 80 in the first attempt, don't lose your heart. It is also all right, but you need 2 to 3 times practice. That's it. And once you are doing that rigorously for each and every chapter, each and every subject, by the time the gate exam is nearing, you will have enough confidence that you will be means getting around 70 to 80 marks. I can assure you if you follow it religiously. That is one more thing. Consistency is the key, because at times you will feel it completely boring. Doing the same thing again and again, revising the same thing again and again will be a like cumbersome task without any value addition. You will feel like that. So you have to overcome that. And if you overcome that, you will be in the right track. And by the time you reach gate, you will do well.
Means we have to take any gate material related textbook and refer all the PYQ questions, and then we have to cross verify with our textbooks or like that only, no, sir?
Yeah. Means if you
Okay.
are taking any PYQ book, there will be solutions. So
Yes,
first
yes.
you read, suppose calculus, you complete this chapter,
Yeah.
ordinary differential
Yes, sir.
equation, you complete this chapter. There will be n number of questions for this topic.
Okay.
Once you are done with this chapter, and once you have revised the chapter, go means write all those PYQs, means solve all those PYQs. After you are done with the solving the PYQs, check how many you got correct and how many you got wrong. And in all those things you got wrong, you can that is my suggestion. What I did is, if I am getting one question wrong, then make one separate copy, write that question in that separate copy, and every day before you start any new subject or new chapter, go through that question. Means every day if you will go through that wrong question, automatically that concept will become stronger and stronger, and your all your weak concepts will by time it will become stronger. That is my suggestion.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
Sir, can I ask a question?
Yeah, sure.
Sir, in the syllabus there are different sections, right?
Yeah.
So should we focus over the sections on only, or the subsection part? Means there are multiple parts in which there are only two sections, right? In the section 3 there are only two subsections.
Yeah.
But in another section there are multiple another sections. So
Yeah.
is there equal weightage of the syllabus, or unequal weightage, or
Yeah.
there any official statement regarding about these
There
sections?
is no official statement. Just before I said, that is also one of the reason that you should start with the most heavy weightage subject. If your basic is almost in average, above average, if you know all those basic things of solid mechanics, then my suggestion will be to start with all those heavy weightage subject. Like you showed that section 3. Go to that section 3, please. Yeah. This section 3, if you see, this has two, there are two subsections, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This section 3 is the heavy weightage, one of the heavy weightage section of the whole GATE syllabus. If you cover these two subsection easily and thoroughly, you can assure yourself 14 marks. Okay, so coming to your question, all those subsections and all those subsections, their weightage are not equal. And like I said, geotechnical is the highest weightage technical subject, followed by environmental, then transportation, then comes your two non-technical part, that is maths, aptitude, then all those small topics like CPM part is one of the easiest part you can cover with less effort, and you can assure you means, and it can assure you 2 to 3 marks easily. Similarly, surveying, you can assure 5 marks of your GATE exam by looking, means overlooking the surveying topics as well as subtopics. I hope I answered your question.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, hello. Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Myself Durga Rao, sir, Andhra Pradesh.
Yeah.
So, sir, my doubt is that
Can you
in
please
the
be louder because it's not audible or too less audible to me.
NPTEL Gate Forum in the website itself, it is planned for up to 3 weeks program, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, up to 3 weeks, sir. Otherwise, sir, up to actually we will wrote the gate examination in the month of
That
February.
that is for actually it is now showing for 3 weeks. That is 1 month schedule, but it is not up
Yeah.
up to for 3 weeks. It will go up till January. I think roughly they were telling 26 to 30 weeks.
Okay. And one more thing, sir. Is there any material from the past 20 years from the individual subject wise, sir? Is it possible to? Meanwhile, we will listen all the what are the video lectures provided by the NPTEL Gate Forum. We will going to look it into, sir. But meanwhile, we need to practice the more number of questions from each subject. It will benefit for all of us, sir.
Yeah.
Is you possible to share like in Andhra Pradesh, we have some coaching institutes like ACE Academy, Gate Academy. There are so many academies, sir, there, sir.
Yeah.
Or shall we refer those materials or
Now you if means my suggestion will be to means
yeah, sir.
if you are talking of any materials, it is good if you are having that.
Yes.
I means I am not denying that it won't be helpful. It will be helpful at some point of time, and
Okay.
if you can go through that, it will be better. But anyhow, this NPTEL Gate portal is means evolving and is not in fully fledged operating state. Now, what we are doing, we are only providing the past, what previous year questions, solutions, video solutions only. And we don't have any soft copy of the material as such. So if you are having those things, you are welcome. You can read, go through those things. Then one more thing you should keep it in your mind that from wherever you read, whatever you do, revise it properly and write the PYQs and test papers in regular
Yeah.
intervals so that you can access yourself.
Sir, could I share something?
Yeah.
Please, sir, please.
Hello, Spandar sir.
Yeah.
As Mr. Durga Rao or Durga sir has asked the video material, I may suggest to watch the NPTEL video lectures rather than purchasing any costly material. If you need notes, then you can make the handwritten notes from the NPTEL video series. Uh, let's say you are facing doubts in geotechnical engineering, then I may suggest go to YouTube channel and search geotechnical engineering and NPTEL. Geotechnical engineering and NPTEL type.
Those are also from the like 12 weeks programs or otherwise Gate Forum, sir.
No,
No,
those are
it's available.
separate. Those are separate. What he is mentioning are the courses that has been taken or delivered in the NPTEL forum, not Gate forum. It is NPTEL, its own original content.
Okay.
Let me finish, Durga sir. I may suggest you to rather than purchasing any material, you may watch those lectures first, because in the material there shall be formulas and their explanations are written. Not exactly the concepts are written. The materials are designed in such a way that you should think to take the coaching one. Means they have designed in their own way. I think I don't say much in this context, but I think I am running out of my topic. You should watch the series of video lectures. They are short videos of 28 or 27 minutes, and they have it is taught by the renowned professors of different IITs or IIScs. So it,
Yes, yes,
you
yes,
should
sir.
you have
And I have one more.
yeah tell.
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir told that that's our name, and the
Mhm.
majority of the focus on only the soil mechanics engineering, like geotechnical.
Hmm.
Every year, the percentage is mainly focused on geotechnical, or otherwise it may be going to change the weightage for the subject. Sir.
Now that
See,
depends. Actually, you cannot rely on those marking schemes. That depends upon the means conducting IIT or IASC and the professors who are forming the questions. But from the past 10 to 15 years, it has been seen that the geotechnical engineering weightage is around 14 to 16 marks, consisting of 8 to 10 questions. From that prospect, if you see the
Why I'm asking that question, sir? We're
yeah,
focusing on only one or two big subjects, but if the curriculum is changed in the gate aspects, we may going to lose the marks, sir. That is only my opinion. It is not a good or bad. I don't know, but
no,
this is my own.
yeah,
I consider.
yeah. I understood, but what I think, if from past 20 years, if the probability of occurrence is around 0.99, then my question is it better to prepare in that way, or is it better to take some U-turn and prepare in some haphazard way? So that's my suggestion. I am not forcing anyone to prepare or start preparing from geotech. That was my suggestion, that the heavy weightage subject should be covered fast. Okay.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you for your valuable suggestions. Both of us.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Om.
Sir, how to time management in this qualify GATE examination?
First, you have you have given a wrong statement. First, you tell me if you want to qualify, if you want to only qualify, or you want to qualify with good marks and rank.
Sir, how to time management?
Na, you said na how to do time management to qualify. So my question to you is, you want to only qualify, or you want to qualify with good marks and rank?
Good marks rank.
So listen the answer. If you want to qualify, then no need. You only read maths and aptitude thoroughly, you will qualify. If you want to qualify with good marks and rank, then yes, time management come into picture. And as I said, start with the most heavy weighted subject, revise it, study it, revise it again 2-3 times, then go to PYQ section. Do the complete PYQ questions, revise it, make a note of your wrong questions that you have attempted, and once you start in the day, if you have thought of you will read for 8 to 10 hours a day, so in the morning hours you should first start with your mistakes. You should maintain a book or record, go through those mistakes every day, so that your weak points will become stronger as the time progresses. Om.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Uh, Sir,
Yeah.
in this gate portal, we will concentrate only previous year question paper or up to last year, every paper we will concentrate, sir.
Means means every subjects PYQs will be there as video solutions, and means some more means PMRF fellows will be taking some other topics such as geotech, transportation, environment. Some other fellows will be taking, and you can see that phase 3 links in that
Yes, yes, sir. I have seen.
3 weeks link. You can see there will be some environmental, geotech, some what we say, transportation engineering, like things will be there. Yeah, phase 3. This is like till 14th September it is showing, but it will go up to till the start, means 1 week before gate exam. So you don't need to take any trouble.
The links will be same only, no, sir. There will be no change of link, no, sir.
No, links are same. Links will remain constant throughout. If not, if there is a change in link, then you will be intimated 1 to 2 days before in your mail ID that the link has changed and the timings have changed.
This total program is based on previous year question paper on solving only, no, sir.
This is like a means previous year video solutions you will be getting, and this for means in this 1 hour sessions, what we can do is that you have read those concepts, you are facing issues with some of the concepts and problems, while solving the problems you are facing issues, how to apply that, those things we can take, and we can simplify those things in 1 hour session.
Sir, if we have any doubt related any topics, we can ask you, no, sir, about
Means,
explanation or.
any topic, I think I won't be able to answer.
Okay.
But like solid mechanics and structural analysis part, you can ask to me in total. Like here you can see that Sunday 6 to 7 p.m. Some water hydrology part is there, soil mechanics part and transportation part is there. So this
Yes, sir.
person,
Yes, sir.
Sunday 6 to 7 p.m., this person will be the better person. You can ask him or her about hydrology questions, soil mechanics and transportation questions.
Okay, okay, sir. The resources who are instructed to certain subjects, we can ask the any doubt about what the subject they have been telling like that.
Yeah. The
Okay,
subjects
okay.
which means it has been bifurcated to 7 to 8 PMRF fellows, and they will be taking care of 1 to 2 subsections or subjects. Those
Okay, okay, sir.
subsections doubts you practice, you will be facing some issue, you can come back, and in this 1 hour someone, Nabin, please mute yourself. Nabin Konda. हाँ Like I said, there will be 14 subjects. So like this, you can get hold of all those subjects from those 7 to 8 fellows that will be dealing with you in these 1 hour sessions.
Okay, sir.
Coming to this question from Kavyasri, can we expect the brief discussion about the concept before solving the PIQs in these sessions? See, I can do that. If everybody is ready, then I can do that. I don't have any issue. But for that, I need means dual interaction. It won't be a single way class. I need your interaction. You should interact in the class. Otherwise, it will become again a lecture and boring. If you all will help me, then I am sure I will give. Otherwise, it is of no use.
Okay, sir. The other thing is we are under fourth year. For
Okay.
the subject which has been allotted in the GATE 2024 has not been completed in our syllabus. So we can expect any explanation about that subject.
You can. But I think
Okay.
which 2 topics that I am dealing, those topics are of second year course.
Yes, yes.
So,
Section 7 is geomatical engineering.
yeah.
In the fourth year, we have not the fourth year started Monday only. Next Monday it will start. I think the topics may be which unknown to us.
Okay.
For the direct reading, can we expect any explanation before starting the question like that, sir?
For my subjects, I can assure you, but for other subjects, I cannot guarantee. Because
Okay.
I don't know if they will take care of those things or not. But anyhow, you can reach out to them. If they are okay with those things, I think no one will disagree. But for that, like for my class, I need the students' help. If you are not telling anything in the class, it will be boring, right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
If you are interacting, if you are telling the things, then it will be interesting. Everyone will be listening. It will be interesting for me as well as for you to grasp something out of this 1 hour. If that is the case, to I am ready to prepare some slides, some basic overview of the concepts, such that we can discuss, that we can take 5 to 6 questions and solve, and we can wind up that 1 hour fruitfully. And if you want any suggestions, you can ask Biranchi, because he was there in previous semester structural analysis course taken by me, that problem solving session. That session I was doing in that manner. Previous means first I will discuss the concepts, then I was going through the questions. If you want in that way, I am ready. But for that, I need the participants' help. That you should be interactive enough. Otherwise, again, it will be boring.
Thank you, sir, for this.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, is this syllabus enough? Sir, is this syllabus topics are enough for grade preparation 2024, sir?
These 1 hour sessions are not enough. As I said, these are all like problem solving sessions. Like you read the topic, you go through the topic, you practice the PYQs, then you will face some issues while practicing. that issues you bring into picture in this 1 hour. Then we will discuss. After discussing, if you are still facing, then we will try to solve in some more easy way, so that you will get a wide range how to means capture a problem from 2 to 3 in 2 to 3 ways. That
Sir,
is
can
the
we expect any shortcut methods of
yeah.
problem solving?
We can discuss those things here. Correct.
Okay, sir. So I have a request. Before starting any topic, can you tell us what the topic is going to start? Because we can prepare on the topics about the basic knowledge about that. Sir.
Yeah, like for solid mechanics, uh, who is sharing the screen? Saili, can you go to section 2, structural engineering? That syllabus one. No, not mentoring session, syllabus. Gate syllabus. Yeah, section 2. Yeah, you see. Solid mechanics, first it is written bending moment and shear force in statically determinate beams. And today's class was all about bending moment and shear force. But sorry, because I am not there in my campus. So I am not taking because I don't have the writing pad with me right now. And the net is always a problem when I am going outside. So anyhow, when we start, we'll start from bending moment and shear force, because this is the most basic part to start with, because this is the bread and butter of a civil engineer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I want to interact with all the people present here. One by one, can you unmute and tell your name, your background, and from where you are coming and in which year you are now? Then it will be better for me as well as for your fellow participants also, so that they will be knowing each other and it will be better while taking the class also.
Myself,
Okay, one by one. Let me start from downside. Sajid.
myself, Sajid. I am from Andhra Pradesh. It is a affiliated college by JNTU Anantapur, and I am present now in the 4th year.
Okay. Yeah, continue. Yeah, next, Sarfraz Ahmad.
Good evening, sir. Myself, I am Sarfraz Ahmad. I am basically from Dhanbad. I have graduated in 2022 and I am currently working as a JRF in NIT Silchar.
Okay. Which specialization you are working on?
I am graduated in civil engineering, but I am working in underwater vehicle.
Okay. Thank you. Then what is the name? Sai Laja.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, myself Shailja from AP, pursuing BTech third year in RGKT Srikakulam.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Next, Sai Lakshmi.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Myself, Sai Lakshmi. I am from Andhra Pradesh. I recently completed my BTech 2023. I'm preparing for GATE exam, sir.
Okay, thank you. Next is it is Karuna Kumari. Sagi Karuna Kumari.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Myself, Karna Kumari from AP, Triple IT, Shekakulam, RGUKT, sir. E3.
Okay, fine. Then Rohit Raj Purohit.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, I am from Surat and I am pursuing fourth year from Government Engineering College, Surat. And I appear in third year. I got 23 marks. I lack of revisions.
Yeah, this is okay because in third year you might not have prepared all the subjects, I guess.
Yes, sir. Only mathematics and FT I done.
Then from 28, if you are getting 23 marks, then you should take it as an achievement, but not in a bad manner. You should take it to improve it in the upcoming years.
Yes, sir. That time I am NCC cadet and I appearing in TCS camp and all over for 3 or 4 months.
Okay, that's good. Next is Pallavi.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir. My name is Pallavi Gachale. I'm from Maharashtra. I'm currently pursuing my final year BTech from Civil Engineering from SPPU University.
Okay, thank you. Next, Om Prakash Kumar.
Good evening, sir. Sir,
Good
my name
evening.
is Om Prakash Kumar. I am from Bihar. Currently, I am pursuing with BTech, Bihar Engineering College, with third year.
Okay, thank you. Then comes Mira.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
I am Meera Mahalakshmi from Tamil Nadu. I am currently pursuing fourth year BE Civil Engineering.
Okay, thank you. Then comes Kumar.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
I am from Telangana, Hyderabad. Currently, I am pursuing my BTech final year in JNT Affiliated Autonomous College.
Okay. You are in third year.
Fourth year, sir.
Fourth year. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Then Guna Nandini.
Good evening, sir. I'm Guna Nandini.
Have I spelled your name correctly?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Myself, I'm Guna Nandini, currently pursuing third degree in civil engineering, and I'm from
Okay.
Tamil Nadu, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Then Durga Rao.
Yeah, hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Actually, I am not the GATE aspirant, sir. Right now, I am the PhD scholar from JNTU, Kakinada, Andhra Pradesh.
Okay.
And also working as a faculty member in one of the private institute in Andhra Pradesh. The objective of the joining this program is to encourage our final year students to wrote the GATE examinations and to inspire them after listening this session and will motivate them.
Okay. Then you should help me while taking and conducting the sessions.
Sir, and also in our college, the GATE program is there. every week some faculty based on their interest they will teach the subjects to the students.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, hello sir.
Yeah.
So that's why I am joined here, sir. I am share some my views on GATE, sir. I am not qualified, but I did my BTech and MTech in BTech in civil engineering and MTech in structural engineering. Right now, PhD scholar in JNTU Kakinada. So right now the situation for the civil engineering jobs are going to very less. If the qualify the GATE examinations, they will be settling in PSCC jobs. That's why majority of them I am motivating my students to succeed in their careers, sir.
Okay.
That's all, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Then comes Chirag Kumar.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
I'm from Himachal Pradesh and I am pursuing BTech in fourth year.
Okay.
Before I have done diploma in civil engineering.
Okay. BTech fourth year. You are currently
Yes,
in
sir.
final year. Fourth
Yes,
year.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Final year. Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
William.
Then Akash. Hello.
Good evening, sir. My name is Kayakash, and I am from Visakhapatnam, Gayatri Vijayapasita College of Degree and PG courses, and I am pursuing final year, sir.
Final year. You are in final year.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Then comes Saili.
Yeah, good evening, sir. My name is Shali Singh. I did my BTech from my hometown, which is the Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, and I did my BTech from Madhav Institute of Technology and Science, and currently I am preparing for the GATE exam.
Okay.
Thank you.
Means you are done with your
Yeah. Yes,
BTech.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I did my BTech.
Okay. Fine.
Thank you, sir.
Then Biranji.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
I am Biranchi Narayan Mishra and I am from Odisha. I have completed my BTech in civil engineering from PMEC Barampur in 2022. Last year I was preparing for GATE and did not perform well. But in last month I have got a job in lecturer in civil engineering at a government polytechnic college in my hometown, and I am currently teaching there final year students and third year students environmental engineering and building materials. Now I am a lecturer. So that's it from my side.
Okay. So you are currently preparing for GATE exam, or you are completely focusing on your job right now?
No, I am from last month I am trying to find out time in my evening to prepare for GATE for my self improvement, because as much as I prepare for GATE, I know concept in better way. So
Okay.
that's why I'm writing the GATE exam this year again.
Okay, fine. Thank you. So that's it for this session. If anyone is having any more doubt, feel free to unmute yourself and talk to me.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Sir. Yes, sir. I have a question.
Yeah. Tell me.
Sir, what is the cutoff in structural from IIT Bombay, sir?
It varies, but from IIT Bombay structural.
Yes, sir.
IIT Bombay structural will be around 700. You can expect more than 800 GATE score. That will be roughly around, means in marks, I cannot predict because it varies, but score wise, it will be more than 800.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Means to be in safer side, you should be like in the mid 800, in early 800 at least, 820 around or 830 around.
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Anyone else? Any questions related to GATE or anything you want to ask? Feel free.
So when is next session is conducted?
See, actually on first next Friday, I will be traveling in train. So I will try, but I cannot assure you. Today's session also I said to the NPTEL team regarding the same of net failure and all, but I don't know if you got any message regarding the same or not. That means when I logged in, I saw all of you were waiting. That is the only reason I came and took the class. Anyway, that was good for me to interact with you all.
Yes, sir.
Kumar, cutoff for IIT Madras in which specialization?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello.
Sir, when join the test series?
You asked that question. Okay. The best time will be around September.
Sir, where?
Oh,
कहाँ
where
से
to
मतलब?
join? Where to
Yes.
join? There are many good institutes. I should not take the name in this public portal, but you might be knowing all those institutes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. And coming to that question, IIT Madras structural engineering cutoff will be slightly lower, but not that lower. It will be around 780, 750 to 780. But it varies. From past 3 to 4 years, the cutoff is remaining in that range only. But after that, means IIT Bombay generally calls for interview and some written exam. I don't know about my IIT Madras. You have to recheck with their portal and site if they are conducting any exam or not.
Sir,
Yes.
can we manage time for preparing GATE and doing job also?
Sorry, can you repeat your question?
Can we manage the time for preparing GATE and doing job also?
That depends upon your job and job timing and how much time you have to provide to your job and how much time after job you can devote to your studies. If you can devote around 8 to 10 hours a day after you are working, then you can surely do it. But anyway, for past 2-3 months, you can take it little bit in a slow and steady manner. But after October, that is November, December, January, these 3 to 4 months, you need to completely devote your time towards GATE exam.
Okay, sir.
So can we log out now?
If you don't have any question, you can log out.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir,
Yeah.
for today's session.
Thank you, sir.
One more thing I want to ask you all people. Sorry to interrupt. One more thing I want to ask you all people, that how comfortable you feel while solving the problems from solid mechanics and structural analysis. Do you feel comfortable, or means you feel it difficult or somewhat problematic? If you can share, anyone who want to share.
So typically it is based upon type of question. It has different views.
Okay. Anyone? Anyone else who want to tell anything?
To be placed in the IITs, what is the best score we have to score, sir?
See, that's a tricky question to answer. If you want to go to old IITs with established specialization such as structure geotech, then you want to you should score in excess of 800. And and if you want some specialization such as water resource and all, then around 650 to 750 will do your job. And below 650, it's upon your luck. That year, if the question becomes too difficult, then you can get. But there is no surety. To be sure, you should score in excess of or in and around 800. Yeah.
The another thing is there is a general science no, sir. Paper 15 marks for
aptitude.
Yes.
Yeah.
For preparing for aptitude, it is enough for like we have preparing for like jobs now, sir. Like software, we have preparing for aptitude reasoning. It is a part of the entrance exam. It is enough, or we have to prepare any extra topics like that, sir?
Like aptitude questions are like logical based. If you are good in making logic out of some 2-3 means statements, then you can surely score 15 out of 15. Means out of those 15 marks, some will be English questions like fill in the blanks, prepositions, nouns, verbs, adverbs, and those are quite easy. Apart from that, the most frequent questions are like trains problem, boats problem, time and distance problem, time and work problem, all those puzzles problem, those are generally asked. And if you, I don't know if you will be having a PYQ book or not. In PYQ book, you can find all those questions. And I don't think, and with less effort, you can score around 12 to 15 marks.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, I think there is no more doubt.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Please, go ahead.
Sir, is there any specialization of the conducting IIT? For example, GATE 2023, the conducting body is IIT Kanpur. They more focus on a structure part. So, sir, there is any I say a specialization on the asking question?
For the sake of telling, if you want to tell, then yes, there is. But truth to be said, the conducting body is one institute for a year, but the question is not formulated by the professors of the same institute. It is a collaboration from each and every IIT. So you cannot predict which year and what type of question in a given year it will come. And it is not directly. Indirectly, you can make some logical assumption, but directly there is no written rule of thumb that you can say this will come, this topic weightage will be more, like that.
Okay, sir.
Okay, bye. Good night. Take care.
Thank you, sir, for clarifying our doubts. For
Welcome.
precious time.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.